apple and rhubarb crumble. It is delicious, but it's one of those special occasion kind of desserts. I'm going to show you an everyday apple and rhubarb crumble using a toasted muesli as the topping. So to make the fruit stew, I've just heated up a pan. I'm going to add some apples. I've just cut them into eighths, so we'll pop them in along with some rhubarb. So just 1 to 2 stalks of rhubarb. I might just use one because it's quite large. And we're going to cut them into about 3 centimetre pieces, 3 to 4 centimetre pieces. They can go in. And we do need a little bit of liquid in here, so I will add some water, just a splash of water. It's just to get it going, along with some honey. So a good drizzle of honey for some sweetness. Whenever I'm stewing my fruit, I always tend to add just a good squeeze of lemon juice and some vanilla bean paste. Splash of that. Now, once it's come up to the boil, we just want to place the lid on top, and I want to stew the fruit until it just starts to break down but still holds its shape, particularly for the apples. All right, this is stewed down nicely. You can see the fruit still holding its shape. Smells fantastic. And we're just going to place our fruit down the bottom. So this is almost like a deconstructed crumble. We'll add our apples and rhubarb. See how it's slightly soft. I love that pink tinge from the rhubarb. Now we can top it with our toasted muesli. This toasted muesli has Australian macadamias through it, cranberries, 16 other all natural ingredients, and it's got that lovely crunch that emulates that crumble. I'm gonna top that with all that goodness. And instead of ice cream, with this we're going to add some lovely yogurt. So a big dollop of yogurt over the top. And some fresh raspberries. What a way to start the day. Think of this as an apple and rhubarb crumble, but it's super healthy.